Hi everyone, this is Mr. Girding, and I know you guys are working on your projects on famous Olympians, and think that the best way for me to help here is to show you how I use one of the best databases out there to find out more about the Olympians that you want to look at. So most of you have already picked your athlete, so in order to find information about your athlete, you'll click on Athletes. You will scroll down the page, and there is a box right here where it says search athletes. I'll just type in Usain Bolt because he seems to be a very popular Olympian for folks. We'll click on go, and then we see Usain Bolt's listing here. We click on it, and it takes you to an absolute wealth of resources and materials underneath the greatest sprinter of all time here. If you click on more, it's going to give you some biographical information, um, including but not limited to his work at the Olympics. And if you scroll down from there, you'll see him in the news. And if you click on more, and as long as more is there, you can keep on clicking it, and it will give you more and more stories about Usain Bolt and his accomplishments at the different Olympics he participated in. And if you scroll down a little further, you can see videos, there's lots of pictures, there's lots of images. And just so you know, I did this for Usain Bolt, but if you look up another Olympian and you type another Olympian in instead of Usain Bolt, all the same types of information are going to show up and it's going to look exactly the same. So you can click on these articles and you can get information. They'll link to videos if there's a video that goes along with it. And there's a lot of really good information here about a lot of our Olympians, especially the more recent ones, but even some more historical ones as well. Say you aren't exactly sure what you want to look at yet, but you have a sport you're interested in. You can click on sports and you can scroll down and you can look at the different summer sports, the different winter sports, and you can click on one. Maybe you like swimming. So if you click on swimming, it's going to take you down. You can click on the different men's or women's events that you're interested in. And when you click on it, it's going to tell you about top medalists. It's going to give you some picks and some options. And you can click on one of them. And when you click on the athlete, it takes you to the same sort of information I showed you earlier for Usain Bolt. And this just goes to show that all the pages are set up in the same way. There are other resources that you can use, and I encourage you to come and see me if you want to access those resources. But I think this is the best information out there that's going to tell you not just about these Olympians, but the things they accomplished during the Olympic Games. Best wishes for success on your research project.